Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice chute seal in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new ice chute seal. The ice chute seal makes an airtight seal between the top of the ice chute and the bottom of the ice bin. If the ice chute seal is damaged, warm air would get into the ice bin, causing the ice cubes to melt and the water dripping into the ice dispenser and eventually freezing the ice cubes together, blocking the ice chute. To fix this problem, you need to replace the ice chute seal. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. To remove this old seal, I would use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it here at the bottom and pry the seal out. Be careful, do not break the plastic edge. Next, I need to get rid of this plastic O-ring. I'm going to place the flat blade screwdriver into this cutout, and I'm going to start prying it off. This is the old ice chute seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is our new ice chute seal, and we're going to insert it into the opening. This plastic ring will snap in only one way, so if you wonder, you can try this, and that is the only one way it goes in. So press it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.